So it is currently 10:30 right now. I just finished getting ready. It's a very plain outfit. My dad and I are actually going to get something to eat. It's a local spot that he's been wanting to try out for a while now. I don't actually know what it is, so I'm super excited to see. I actually have a really full day today. I have to go get some ingredients for something that I'm making later, and then I have to go to a local card shop. I have to organize some cards, clean up the house, and honestly just go shopping for myself. Like I need a couple like self-care items, so I'm also hoping to see if I can get anybody like some Christmas presents. I have been trying to shop early since I know it's gonna get super crazy. Like I work at a retail store and it is already getting bad. I remember yesterday I actually bought a couple things, which I will show you guys in a haul later. But yeah, I bought a couple things for myself, and tell me why the line was so long. It was coming out of the freaking like line thing that they usually have. They were trailing out of there. It was like a huge line. And anytime I went up to see if I could help somebody or I just smiled at them, they just went like, I'm like, girl, it's the holiday season. Why are you so upset? You guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be a pretty busy one, so that's why I chose to vlog today, so that way you guys can see me actually go out instead of just being shut in all day. Now I'm just going to head out so we can get some breakfast. It went down the side of it. Bacon.
Go.
Oh my gosh. I freeze up.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is cute. So it is now 1:50 and I just got back home. Honestly, that food that we ate was so good. I'm literally still full. Yeah, I don't know. It was just super, super good. But now I am going to be organizing some of my Pokemon cards. Like I mentioned, one of my best friends is leaving in December. He's literally the only person that I actually hang out with here. Haven't really gotten to make like too many friends that I can really go out with that like don't just party and drink all the time. So I don't drink, and I know like that's like a super popular thing for like, I don't know, like a lot of the friends that I do have to do, they go to like bars or out clubbing, which if that's what you want to do, I mean, that's perfect, but it's just not my kind of scene. So I am pretty sad that he's gonna be leaving because literally that's the only person I really hang out with here. A few months ago, he gave me his entire collection. He said I could just keep them, but I kind of felt like really, really bad doing that, especially since it was like so much. So I told him, I was like, hey, like I'll give you like all the bulk cards that I have, like one of each. So I'm gonna be doing that in a binder for him so that way we can have it. But I do need to do it already because he is leaving in December. I'm not really sure what day he's leaving. He hasn't really told me yet, but I do know that it will be sometime after December 5th. On December 5th, we're actually planning to go see the FNAF 2 movie together, kind of like our last hurrah. But yeah, I literally have maybe like a month to do this, and it's gonna take a lot of work because I have so much bulk. It's not even like a joke. Yeah, I'm just gonna get started on that now, and then later on I am gonna go out shopping yet again for other ingredients for the meal I'm gonna make this evening, and then honestly just some stuff for myself, and I'm gonna get an idea on like Christmas gifts. So yeah. Oh my god, this is so heavy. This is honestly probably like a fraction of what I own. But yeah, this is gonna take a lot of work. So all of these are literally my personal binders. I still have like way more cards in there. And then in here, it's honestly just really a mess of like cards. I don't even know what's what in some of these things. So usually when I organize my friends or like my boyfriend's cards, I usually do it by binder because it's a lot easier with like the pages and stuff. But since I don't have a lot of pages and a lot of binders yet, I think I'm just gonna use like these empty ETB boxes. I have a few like extra ones that are like, they look the same. So they're all just like empty and they're kind of just like taking up space. Plus, I think this will go pretty well since blue is his favorite color. So I'm just gonna put them in here until I go to the store later and throughout the like remainder of November to get more like pages and binders. I'm just gonna be putting them in these for now for safekeeping. So we have this one. This is the set Stellar Crown. Honestly, an underrated set. I love some of the arts in this one. They're so pretty. The other one I have is kind of beaten up, but it is the set Silver Tempest, and it's so cute. This one had some good arts in it as well. Honestly, if you find one of these that is still sealed, it's probably worth a lot of money. This one is from the Sword and Shield era. I have this one, Temporal Forces. It's so pretty and cute. This one is based on like future Pokemon. This one is based on future Pokemon, so yeah, it's pretty as well. Like I said, all of them are empty. So I'm just gonna start from like the first Pokemon, which is Bulbasaur, to the last one, which I believe is Peachron. I think. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started because in like 2 hours I have to go to the store, so I'm gonna just see how much I can get done, honestly. So I am going to be taking a little bit of a break right now, even though I did not get that far at all. Like, I really didn't. But I'm going to be taking a little break, and I'm going to be eating this sushi that I bought today. Literally have been dreaming about this sushi. I also have this, like, little coconut drink. I love it so much. It's banana flavored. It's so good. My only worry about this drink is that like when I got it at Walmart, it was already on like a like I don't know, reduced price. Like there's strawberry, regular, mango, pineapple, and they were all like almost $2, but this one was always like 150. And now when I got it, it was at like 75 cents, and it was the literal last one. They actually took the sticker for the banana flavored completely off, so I'm kind of sad. I hope like they don't stop selling it because the banana flavored one is literally my favorite. So I'm gonna be kind of upset if they like don't sell it anymore. While I'm eating, I'm also going to be watching vlogs from both of my friends. If you guys don't know, or you guys like didn't come from like one of their videos, here go their channels right here. Please, please go subscribe, go watch, go comment, go like. Please, I am begging you. All of us are like really just in this together. Like we all wanted to kind of like just like I don't know, make our own money and like do our own like vlogs and stuff like that. Honestly, it's kind of interesting to see like all of our aesthetics are kind of similar but different in the same way. So yeah, guys, if you want to go check them out, I highly recommend it. Definitely to check them both out. Go support, go show their love. Go show your love, please. It would mean the world to myself and to them. I am just gonna eat this now because I'm a little hungry. So, oh my god, wait, it's like stuck. Okay. Mmm. I've literally been craving sushi or like nigiri for so long, specifically nigiri. I just love like the salmon and tuna that are on top. They're always so good and like just honestly rich in flavor. Whenever I get it from like Sam's or Costco, honestly the best sushi I've had besides like restaurants that specialize in it. So, mm.
My cash Apple card. Okay? Stress me out. Friday, October 5th. So, plans for today. I have to work.
I'm just not even recording.
I'm new to this. I'm new to being a plant life. I'm new to this. I'm new to this. I had one of these before I killed it. I don't know how it is. Let me tell y'all something. I don't want that khaki. Like, I think that'll go good in my windowsill or something. But no, that ain't what I came here for. I don't know, y'all. Alright, I think, yeah. Sorry, y'all. A little time jump. A little time jump.
Makeup tutorial and putting it together. I feel like with this on, I look like Mulan. Y'all know when she was getting her makeup done, and then she had that white, and then she had the big blush. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting, and that's the gimmick. Okay. I feel like that's it. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna.
So it is 4:30 now, and I'm gonna be heading to the store. I'm honestly just gonna be walking there since I have had like a lot of sugary and kind of fatty foods lately, and I really shouldn't be having any of that, so I figured I might as well just walk there. I'm gonna be taking this purse. It's like my black one, but it's pink and it's so cute. I just stuck like my keys and this Hello Kitty on it. So cute. But I am going to be walking to a local card shop that I have here. It's honestly one of my favorite stores to like shop for like different cards you might not see every day, or to just shop for like little plushies. And it's honestly got like this really cute and like pretty good cafe there, so I might get like a drink from there. But I'm mostly going there so that way I can see if there are any like, I don't know, cards that my best friend might like. Since I'm doing his collection, I want to give him like rare or prettier cards in his collection, not just like the bulk that I have, basically the extras. So I want to go over there and see if maybe there's anything he might like and get it for him for Christmas. After that, I'm going to walk to Walmart since it's honestly not that far from it, just to get the rest of the stuff I need to make dinner later. So yeah, I think now I'm just gonna head out because I don't want it to get too late and then I won't be able to do everything I need to do. Okay, Allied, so I'm actually gonna be taking this bag. It's a lot bigger than the previous one. Also, I was just gonna take that small pink one because I didn't really think that I needed too much space to like pack this reusable Walmart bag, my wallet, keys, and phone. But it's actually not that big, so I just chose the next thing in line, even though this is honestly like, it's gigantic. But now I'm just gonna take this one instead, so that way like I can put other things in there if my Walmart bag isn't enough. But yeah, I am just gonna head out now. Oh my god, it's honestly so bright, I can't even see what I'm filming. So cool. I swear if one of these like pops out at me, I'm gonna start to cry. So right now I am looking for Christmas gifts. I already grabbed a couple, but honestly, it's kind of hard to shop for some, especially at like Walmart. But I'm just walking around trying to see if I see literally anything. So cute. Of course, it's empty because of scalpers. Oh my god, it's like falling. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna head out now because, yeah, literally everything that I am seeing is an upwards of like, sorry, I thought I saw something. It's an upwards of like $30 to $50. Probably just gonna have to wait till we get in like better things at my store and then go shopping there. But yeah. So I just got home from the store and I'm gonna be doing like a little haul with you guys. You guys probably already saw like some of the stuff that I ended up getting, but I just wanted to show it in closer detail. I'm not gonna be showing everything though, because some of the stuff that I got is actually for some of my besties that do watch this video for Christmas. So yeah, so I'm not gonna be able to show everything, but I will show like the stuff that I got for me or for like my room and stuff like that. First off, I got this cute like these cute bows. I love putting bows in my hair, especially for school, and these ones are so cute. They're like little clips. They're literally adorable. Next I have this candle. Honestly, it smells so good. It's called Whipped Berries and it's literally so cute. Isn't that the cutest? Let me take this off. It's so cute. It literally matches my room so perfectly. I'm literally obsessed. Oh. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna light it because I know it's just gonna melt and I'm gonna be so sad. So I don't even know if I'm gonna light this. I don't know. I'll think about it. Next, I got these like leggings kind of things. I've been needing some new ones because the other ones were pretty old and they started to have like holes in like the thigh area. They're my favorite ones and I only have these ones that I have on left, so I just wanted to buy like a replacement one so that way I don't just have like one pair. I usually wear these with like my skirts you guys usually see in my vlogs, so I definitely don't want to be wearing like holey pants around. I feel like that would be really weird and uncomfortable. So yeah, so I just got these as like, you know, another pair. Next I have these nails. These ones are starting to get like really, oh, sorry. I don't really have anything to put my phone on right now, so you guys are literally on my cards right now. But yeah, so these nails are like starting to get like really old and honestly they just kind of look ugly, especially like right here. So I just got some new ones. They're so cute. They literally have like little black bows on them and I think in the center it's like silver glitter. They're literally so adorable. I can't wait to put them on. There were some other ones that I really wanted, but like they were just like the press-on ones, like they didn't come with the glue. Honestly, I kind of hate those because I feel like if I do anything wrong, they're just gonna snap off, and honestly, that just, I don't know, that gives me paranoia. But the next item is this moisturizer. I've been using the Hello Kitty cream cleanser, and every time I use it, oh my god, every time I use it, it makes my face so dry, and I end up having to like pat on some lotion. I don't really know if you're supposed to do that or not once you cleanse your face. I'm like super new to this like whole skincare makeup thing, but I do want to get into it like I told you guys. So I don't really know if this is a good brand, but honestly, with the exception of this, my face has been somewhat clear with it. I remember I used to get like really bad ones right here, and ever since I started using it, it's been not that bad. So I just got this to put on after I use the cleanser, so oh my god. So hopefully this will help. I don't know, we'll see. So the last few things that I got, hold on, I need to grab my wallet because that also has something in it. Okay, so the last few things that I got were from the that store I took you guys to, and I am literally so obsessed with the 2 cards that I got. So I got this card like a few days ago. It's literally the cutest. I have been chasing this card for who knows how long now. I don't know if you guys can see it with the glare, but it's so cute. And then on the back side, this is a completely different card if you were to take them out. I got this one. Honestly, I just really like this one because it's in a place called Area 0. I don't know if you guys play the Pokemon games, but in Area 0, it's like a bunch of really pretty crystals everywhere, rainbow crystals. Honestly, just a erythral, is that how you say it? I don't know, just like unworldly vibes down there, and this is just such a pretty card. The last thing I got from my card shop was this. I don't know if you guys know, but this is so hard to find right now. I can't even believe that they had it. This is Prismatic Evolutions, and it is literally starring my favorite Pokemon of all time. There are some like super hard cards to get in this set. The pull rates are like so bad for this set. I literally can't believe that I found it. I'm literally so happy. I've already gotten one of these before, but I want another one just to try my luck. These are probably gonna be like my 20 plus packs of Prismatic, and I have yet to pull one of those cards, so I'm not really expecting too much. So it comes with 6 packs. I literally just want one. I don't even really care which one it is. I just want one card, even if it isn't my favorite of the set. Like, I want one card. So I'm gonna just start opening them. I am so scared. I'm guaranteed to get like at least one rare card, but I'm still really scared. One to the front is how they do it, I think. So I'm not like a professional card opener who can just like do this. Like, I see how they be doing it, but I'm not one of those people. Oh wait, is this a Pokeball? Oh, it is. Oh, I got a Master Ball. This is a Pokeball, and then this one is a Master Ball. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, this is not like a really good card, it's just a little hollow. Next pack. Oh, I got a Flareon. Okay, I mean, I have like so many of these, but I'll take it. So, last card. Okay, I got a trainer. Not the greatest card, but I'll take it. I'll take what we can get. You know, this is our rare card. So, this is at least our guaranteed. Not my favorite person from the Scarlet and Violet era, but I'll take it. You guys literally have no idea how scared I am right now. Ooh, this one's hollow. Okay. Ooh,
Oh, wait, is this a Pokeball? Oh, it is. Wait, I literally got a Master Ball with this one too. I'm giving it to my boyfriend. Oh, wait, I put it in the box. Okay, I got a Vaporeon. It's one of the EVs. I'll take her. I'll take her.